I will remember you. Will you remember me? Let's take this bad boy out for one last ride. Figure anybody who's been following should see how it's running now. It's a cold-blooded creature, and she'll take a while to warm up. Come back in 5 minutes and give her a little rip. It's still very damp from yesterday, from that storm I rode through. Alrighty. My trusty steed that's now driven about 1,500, 1,800 miles maybe. That was fucking gravel. That was scary. Been able to hear it fucking screams now. No hesitation at all. There might be a little bit down low until it's totally hot that you got to tune out, but I don't think so. I think it's pretty sweet right here. Good gas in it, everything's ready to roll. This is such a fast bike. Once you hit 6,000 RPM, that's when it really takes off, and I didn't know any of that stuff when I was testing it out, because I never go more than a quarter mile from my house. I never get over 5,000 RPM, so I'm just used to riding something else that doesn't have that ability. Well, V-twin more linear, this thing just fucking takes off once you hit that. I do miss having an indicator on my V-strum. I started to realize I rely on that thing quite a bit. totally haven't eliminated is not an engine issue, it's a rattle. That's just a vibration, probably because of the headlights that we put on here. About 5,000 RPM to 5,300 RPM, you get that shaking, rattling noise. Not too big of a deal, but it does exist. Most of these bikes I found have some kind of resonance frequency. Usually, maybe it's just coincidence that it falls in a similar area as my V-Strom. V-Strom's right at 5,600 now that I put the engine bars on it. This one's a little bit lower. I'd say 5,000 to 5,300 RPM. I'm hitting that, so it's a little bit before 5,000 RPM is where I'm hitting that resonance. That downshift and it's gone. Upshift. Whoo, baby! I haven't ridden this thing since we got back from the trip, and I don't think it's placebo. This thing is running better than when we left. Running all the gas through it. I don't know. This is where we want it. This is the bike. Oh, this is gonna be tough. This is gonna be tough till we sell this. I'd get rid of something else. My dad's got an EX500. That's my brother's. We could let's get rid of the EX500. Let's keep this thing. This is too sweet to get rid of. Oh, I keep flipping back and forth on this. We gotta sell it, but I gotta keep it. I don't know.